Well guys, look what we have over here. It's the Asus ROG GM501GS gaming laptop. Hey guys, this is Paddy from Techie Paddy, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of this very laptop, and I'll be giving my first impressions of how this laptop is. So sit back and enjoy this video. Let's go! So this is the main box of the Asus ROG laptop, and you can see that it has the ROG logo. There is no branding of Asus on the front side, at least. If you go on the top, you have written Intel inside and NVIDIA G-Sync. So yes, it has an NVIDIA processor. Oh, Asus branding, finally. Anyways, let me just turn this around, and you can see behind also they have given the specifications over here, which I'll be talking about in the further upcoming clips. And if you can see, the condition of the box isn't great because this is a review unit, so never mind about that. Anyways, let us dive into the box and look at what are the contents inside the box. So this was the contents of the box, and let us just open up all the contents. So this is the main laptop unit, and this is the charger unit. Let's begin with the charger unit first because we have a lot of time to talk about the laptop. So once you open up the charger, you can see it's quite a heavy charger. Let me just untangle this real quick. You can see the current ratings on the adapter very clearly, and this is the very powerful laptop, so a powerful power adapter. So let's keep this on the side and let us talk about the laptop more. So first of all, this is the box of the laptop. You open it up just like a normal laptop, normal lid, and yeah, that's the laptop. So it is in black metal color, and let us talk about the laptop. Before that, I will talk about the contents of the box. So you can see the box is pretty nice, and you can see the styling of the box, like this unit comes up when you open it up, and I like this style. Anyways, so this is what you get inside, some paperwork, I think so. So what this is something related to the gaming laptop. That's the G series laptop. Let's keep it on the side. You have something about this notebook laptop. Okay, you also have an instruction guide on how to install Windows on the laptop. All right, so I think this is for some issues if arise while you're using the laptop. Anyway, so that's all about the contents of this box. Let us begin about talking about this laptop. So let us talk about the physical appearance of this laptop. So beginning with the lid of this laptop, so this has a two-tone contrasting colors. So this is the gray, this is the black. Both have different textures, and yes, they are in matte finish color, and that's why you can see kind of some fingerprint smudges and so on. You have the Asus ROG logo right over here, so when you start up the laptop it glows. You have written over here Republic of Gamers, that means ROG, your status lights and so on. If you observe closely, you will be able to find a copper metallic finish over here, which gives a premium feel. So it is all around the edges of this laptop, so it looks pretty nice. Let's talk about the bottom part of the laptop first, then we'll go to the sides. So at the bottom you can see that it is embedded over here Republic of Gamers. This is the back panel, this is the vents for the cooling fan, and these are the speakers 1 and 2, the stereo speakers. So battery is within here, and the cooling fans over here. So that's the complete package, and you have these pads which give a laptop a bit of a lift, so that circulation is done pretty well and the laptop does not heat up and as much. Let us proceed to the sides of what does the laptop provide and so on. On the left side you can see that this is the intake and the cooling vent, and this is the charging port, this is the HDMI port, and here you have 3 USB ports, and all of them are USB 3 plus, and there might be 3 or 3.1 and so on. And this is the 3.5mm headphone jack which is present on this device. On the right side you can see that this is the USB port, and this is the USB type C port, wherein you can connect your USB type C cable, and then maybe you can charge your devices and so on. and this is the cooling vent for the fan which is present inside this laptop, and also you have this Keniston lock for this security purposes of this laptop. At the bottom backside below the lid and the LCD screen, you can see this is another vent for the fan. You have the Zephyrus embedding which is in the material, and you have another outlet for the fan of this laptop. So basically 2 outlets so that the heat circulation is done in a proper manner. So you guys can see that this is the display of this laptop. It's a 15.6 inches and it looks pretty nice. It's an IPS display, so a pretty good angle also. What I felt that they could have provided a bit more bezels on this side and made it bezels a bit thinner, so you know the display would have looked much more better. Now let's look at the keyboard. So this is the keyboard of this laptop. So for the first time when I used this keyboard, I found it pretty smooth. So I'll be doing a further testing about how this keyboard fares and I'll be giving you my review. Anyways, what you can see right over here, this grills type stuff. So this is not just a design, it's an intake vent here. So all the cold air will be going through this to cool down the laptop because the fans are below right here. You have a hexagonal power button over here. You have additional buttons over here. So this is volume minimizing, volume maximizing, microphone off, and this is something called as Game Center of Asus, this thing. And what it does is you can do all your settings regarding the fan boosting, your graphics settings, how your graphic is faring and so on, which I'll be describing in my further clips and in the further videos. Anyways, talking about the specification, so from the stickers you can see this is an i7 processor 8th gen, so this is the 8750 processor, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX, so this is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 processor, this is an 8GB VRAM. This laptop is equipped with a 16GB RAM, so that's a pretty nice thing which is they have loaded. Is they have got this Energy Star, so nowadays all laptops have got it, and this is VR ready. Yes, it is because the NVIDIA GeForce GTX has a VR ready option given inside it, so your laptop is compatible to use any VR gear. I'll be using it and I'll be expressing my opinions later in further videos. So this is the branding given over here, the Republic of Gamers. You have your normal status lights over here, like the normal power, battery and hard disk and so on. This keyboard is the RGB keyboard and you'll be able to modify all the colors and so on using by pressing this button and going to the settings to change the keyboard lightings and so on. So now let's get on to boot up this device. Now let us just boot up this computer, and in 3, 2, 1, you can see the keyboard lights up, and then this is the Republic of Gamers logo which comes with an amazing sound, and there we go. It's quite fast in terms of booting because the Windows operating system has been installed on the 512GB SSD which is provided into this laptop. Also you have a 1TB HDD on which you can store additional data and so on, so that's why it is quite quicker. And you can see the default wallpaper when you start this laptop is the Republic of Gamers, and when you start up the laptop initially you will need to install all the drivers like your NVIDIA drivers and so on, and also I have put most of the games in it. So I'll be doing a thorough comparison of how the benchmarks fare, how the games fare and so on in my next video. Verdict about this laptop is I love this keyboard, I love the display. They could have provided me with the SD card slot over here, and rest of all the review regarding the performance and all that will be coming in the next clip. So that's all about this laptop's first impressions. Well guys, that's all about from my side about the unboxing and the first hands-on of this laptop. The next video will be a detailed overview of this laptop, so it will include all the parameters like the benchmarking, the display test, the keyboard test and gaming test and so on. So for that, you know what you have to do. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel Techie Paddy, this is your first time. My name is Noel Padgaonkar and this is my channel Techie Paddy. Do subscribe. If you have any comments or any feedback, please do leave it in the comment section of this video. Please share this video and I'll see you guys in my next video.